So here's how to add an Amazon affiliate link to your Facebook page. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First thing is you'll have to log into your Amazon affiliate account. And now that you're inside your account, let's move to adding the affiliate links to your Facebook page. It's super easy. Once you're logged into your Amazon affiliate dashboard, navigate to the product linking tab and click on text. Now search for the product you want to promote on your Facebook page. And once you find it, click on get link to the product. Now let's head over to our Facebook page and then add the affiliate link. On your Facebook page, create a new post or find an existing one where you want to add affiliate link. Simply paste the affiliate link into the post text area. You can also add a catchy caption to grab your audience attention. And there you have it. Once you're satisfied with your post, hit the publish button. And your Facebook page is now ready to generate affiliate sales. And congratulations, you've successfully learned how to add Amazon affiliate links to your Facebook page. With this new knowledge, you can start earning commissions whenever your audience makes a purchase through your links.